our quick guide on how to customize your download links and upload portal in Blaze Transfer. This feature will allow you to collaborate with your clients professionally. So let's get started. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials.